Good morning. This is Mike with Global Trading Software, and a good Tuesday morning to you out there. Sitting here watching the NQ this morning. Went ahead and took about $100 off of this one here with one contract this morning. Just kind of jumped in, got my feet wet this morning on it, and that's probably going to continue. Looks like it's trying to continue up here, so I just kind of got out. I got out right here at $105 with one contract, and that was about 5 minutes ago before I got on. As I was setting stuff up. The Dow this morning's a shocking 220 down. Everything else is kind of holding steady this morning, so we're just kind of waiting. I checked the gold pit open this morning. Didn't look like much happening so far, but now the NQ is going to return back down. And I just was trying to get my wife off to work, so I didn't want to leave my chart unattended. So anyway, this is a big fall here, as you can see. It's trying to get down here to this 39.50, and this thing looks like it might continue down even further. So we're going to watch this thing this morning. If you're coming on with me this morning, welcome aboard, and let's see what we can do. See what we can get done today in the markets. Looks like it's going to be a pretty good day already. So we got some stuff opening up early this morning. The market's not even open yet. We got another hour. And the NQ's already want to fall. Of course, retail sales is out. Powell speaks today also, so you got those two factors coming into play, and all the other craziness going on in the world. So we'll see what the market's going to do today. But so far, everything's showing pretty much showing the bearish look. So got a strong volume candle right here. So this is probably still a good one to get into. Might be a little late, but it is got a bottom on it. I mean, it's already past the 58 up here, which was the low. It's just got fresh air on it. I can put it way back and let's look at it down here. Look at this. It's got some serious lows on it. Way down to the bottom. The bottom down here is at 22. 922 is the bottom. This looks like it's going to fall to at least a 21, 22, maybe even down further. So this is a really, really good looking so far. It's got a long way to go. So, yep, bring it on down. That's what we want to see it. Come on down. We're good to go. There's another higher than average volume candle here. So this is going to continue down. Had a little bit of a pullback. I'll go ahead and jump in this one here for you. Just jump in this one a little late. It's all right. Still volume going down in it, so I'm going to stay in it. Hopefully don't pull back on me and take my profits, but I don't think it will. You never know. It's the market. It's Tuesday, so sometimes Tuesdays are kind of crazy. So we'll see. But anyway, it's looking good. The chart's looking really good. You got the higher than average volume candles going on with the trade manager, and so it's trying to come down. We got a serious bottom on it, so just never know. Push, push, push. That's what we want to see. It'd be nice if this would push clean on down here to about in the 900s. That would be a great thing. But yeah, she's pulling back on me a lot now. But she's still got the higher than average volume candle here. So let's see if this reverses or stays down. Looks like it's trying to push back down a little bit, but we'll see. I might have just got into it a little late, guys. That's all, but it's all right. I took the $100 and something right here, so I'm still kind of even anyway. If it does pull back on me, I don't mind being down $20 overall if I got in late. But I'm going to wait and see what she does here, because we got the candles. The trade manager is telling you to stay in it, so we had the pullback right here of the down. You see the pullback, so this is a continuation of the down. So we should start to see it really trickle down. It might be a slow grind this morning also. So you just got to give it a chance. But we'll see what happens here. Take it on down if we can, right? So you get the lower than average volume here on the blue dot. As you can see, the trade manager is showing us this now. Next candle's coming down just a tiny bit. So Hey, we'll see what she does. We want to see a big, giant red one like this. Come on down again. Right now, you got the S&P is about 23 points down. NASDAQ 79, 210 on the Dow, and 25 on the Russell. Yeah, she's pulling back a little bit too far from me. So, yeah, wish it would come on back down, but never know. So we got the. Looks like we had a 6-star on the 2-minute on the Russell earlier, but I was not at my chart to look at that one this morning before I got on. So I was just kind of stay with the NQ this morning and see what she would do. Looks like she's not going to do much now, but lose me money. So I think she's going to start trying to come back up. So I'm going to get out here. I don't want to. Just going to get out of that one. I don't like taking losses, so we'll get out of that one. I got a late entry on it. It's not a big deal. Still good for the day. So good morning, everybody, and glad you're with me this morning. And we are going to try to see if we can capitalize on a big trade today. That's what we want to see, big trades. And this right here is not done probably, but I don't like the pullbacks on them. So I kind of take my profits and get out of the pullbacks, and I always re-entry and get back in if I want to, take more money. But this one here looks like she might have hit that 32 area, and this was a bad area. The 58 was hard to break. We broke the 58, 32s down to 21 would be good, but we'll have to wait and see if she returns. Right now, it's just let's see what she's going to do. So let's check out the RTY and see what happened to it this morning. Yeah, there's the 6. Yeah, it pretty much hit the support and pulled back. So that didn't really do much for us this morning, but it's all right. Everything's kind of topsy-turvy this morning, and the charts are kind of looking good, though. They are looking good, but the 10-year yield this morning is minus 0.300. Yeah. So there's things changing in the market already this morning. So we'll just have to wait. Oil pit opens in about 20 minutes. So we're going to check out the oil in 20 minutes at 9 o'clock. And we're going to watch copper and oil as they correlate together. But yep, made a good decision getting out. So I just have a tendency sometimes to call it when I see stuff like this. I kind of like, I just have I don't know, it's just a knack, I guess, but I kind of get out at the right time. That's for sure. But anyway, it's all good. Let's see what we got here this morning. Oops. Yeah, no big deal. Not a big loss this morning, so that's cool. I managed to make great trades yesterday. We're going to make great trades today, too. It's going to be an awesome day. We just need to get the right setup this morning. And I don't know, with Powell speaking today, I think it's at 12:30, 1:30, 12:30 or 1:30, because they're saying 1:30 and then I'm seeing 12:30. So I guess it's 12:30 or Central and 1:30 Eastern. So we'll see how that works out for us. Usually when he speaks, market does move. Usually it's down. So we'll see. And with Biden's speech yesterday and all that mess, I think at the open, I think we're going to continue down today. That's just my thoughts. Yeah, because if the Nasdaq futures fall low after the retails, so retail sales missed this morning. Okay, so 35 was the fall, 84 was the hold line. 84 up here has been where the Nasdaq has been staying on those sales on the 84, 85 level. So we broke that and continued down. The dollar index looks like it's doing pretty good. It's up 0.25% this morning. So basically, the retail sales didn't do too great this morning. The NQ is down. It looks like it's going to keep coming down probably because it's down 0.66% now. So on the retail sales, that's at 8:30 this morning. That's why I caught this one here. I caught it right at the retail sales, so it's kind of cool. But hey, like Paul says, man, is it going on right now? Hey, we can do that. We can talk about the huge copper short if you want to. I didn't even get an alert on that one yet. Oh man, yeah, well, it's because it's on the 5 minute. Ta-da. Yeah, let's look at this copper. Wow, look at this. Look at this on the retail. Wow, this is beautiful. Beautiful chart. There's your entry right there at this 4.2770. And all the way down, big volume candles coming in, higher than average volume on the trade manager. So this is a beautiful trade. A beautiful trade. I wish I was in this trade. Yeah, well, I wasn't up then. So it's going to probably continue lower too. 4220, 4220 is the bottom right here on it, but it's got room to fall, man. It's got a lot of room to fall. Let's look at pull it back and see what happens. We don't really have a lot on here, I don't think. It's way over here. Yeah, see, it's past already the bottom. It's past this point right there at the 2430. So we'll see if it's going to retrace back or if it's going to break even lower. But yeah, this is a late one here, so I definitely don't want to get in this one. It would have been great to get in it though, man. This would have been a moneymaker for you right here. So everything kind of fell before we got on this morning, but it's all right. Continuations are good. That 4220 is probably going to be where she's going to stop right here, somewhere in this area, because she's already broke that low. So you know how that goes with the lows. Sometimes you break a low and rebound back, or we haven't really had a pullback in copper. If you noticed, it's come straight down. So we could see the pullback like right in here, and then continuation down. So this one we got to keep an eye on just to see. But yeah, we missed a big trade there. It's all right though. There's always more. I don't chase, so I'm definitely not getting into it. You know what I mean? Oh, so basically, 1250. Is that what you made this morning already on it or not? You already in it, or was you up in it? Yeah, this is nice. Beautiful, beautiful, nice trade here. Oops. Let's go back to the YM over here because we have a buy over here on the 3 minute, 6-star buy on the 3 minute this morning already. So we're gonna check this one out right here too. That's a good deal. So you got a 6-star buy going on here in the YM. Eh, see if she pulls back up on the 3 minute over here. Um, she kind of made her lows, but she fell and fell some. Another one. Uh, yeah, that 6-star was well. I don't have a 6-star on. I don't have a 6-star on the 5 minute. I'll take my X spread off and put back on, but I don't see one. Make sure I got it right on here. No, I don't have anything there. I don't have one on the 5 minute, Daniel. I don't have one there, so I got one. I think on the 2 minute at 8:30 this morning, but not on the 5 minute. Here's the 2 minute. That was a sell though. Didn't get a buy. Yeah, didn't no buy on there. So I guess we'll wait and see this morning what we get. get some more alerts. These alerts have already happened. So like Paul says, we don't chase. So we will wait and sit it out and see what we get. Um, chasing trades is not a good practice, and or at least not for me. But those that do sometimes get lucky. But that's about what it is: luck, chasing trades. And sometimes you'll get a win, and sometimes you're going to take a huge loss. So that's why we don't chase trades. But that YM had that 6-star buy, but the 6-star buy doesn't look like it's doing much on the YM here. As you can see, it's kind of falling back down. We'll give it a chance though, and we'll go ahead and mark our chart just in case she returns. And of course, we're going to be buying it at the 883 right here if she comes back into play. So if she comes back in later on and crosses this, then we know we got a good sound up move up to at least the 403. So that's some fresh air. So that's really good. So if we can get to come back up and cross, we'll take it all the way up and see what happens. Because she might come back up at the open. I'd say she'll probably come back at the open. But you never know, guys. This morning could be tank city for a lot of things. So we will wait and see. So good morning, Daniel. How you doing this morning, brother? Good to see you in here. Hope some of the other guys come in with us this morning. I'm getting all kinds of messages this morning. Hang on a second, guys. Cool. All right, cool. Yeah, I just answered some messages there. And probably gonna have to get up and turn my AC down, man. My wife's got this place like an ice box this morning. Looks like the retail sales is not doing so well. My phone just keeps blowing off. Yep, it fell 1.1% in July. So I think it's just a shift in spending is all it is with inflation picking up. You know what I mean? That's basically what it boils down to. Yeah. So let me answer this one message here also. I get a lot of, I meant to say okay. I put PK. Everybody's asking where we're at. So hey. Hello there. How you doing? Good morning. LED. That's cool. So everybody, just good morning to you. Hit that like and like button and that share button and all that good stuff. Ring the notification bell. Check out the links in the YouTube this morning for the products. Check out the Trade Manager. Check out the Trade Manager videos. Um, you can see us using it like this morning right here. I already used it this morning on this trade. Um, you guys can see how we got the 6-star entry right here. We came down and I entered right here at the 66 past the support level, took it on down to here with one contract. Did about 100, I think it was 125, 130 bucks. So that wasn't bad. Got in a little again right in here, but you pulled back. Obviously, I got out. So, but this is the trade manager with the expert algo. The red you see is the divergence. The cloud is the EMA cloud. And and down here's the bias indicator. I was making sure I had it on this morning. It's on. The bias indicator down here is showing the bear market, guys. So the whole bundle, you can check out on the YouTube links and enjoy coming in and trading with us every day. We're live Monday through Thursday, 7:30 Central to 9:30 Central, which is 10:30 market time. And then we come back at 2 to 3:30 Eastern time. So it's cool. So I'm just going to say we do everything on Eastern time. It's 8:30 Eastern time to 10:30, and then 2 p.m. Eastern to 3:30 Eastern. So that way you'll know it's market time what we trade on. But you can see all that in the description also of the YouTube channel. And good morning, Nikolov. How you doing, man? And is that Andalusia? Andalusia? I think I got that right. I hope so. If I screwed up your name, man, sorry. I'm just not really good with names, especially this early in the morning. I just call you LED. That's cool too. It's cool name. Um, anyway, everybody, just welcome to the channel this morning. We're just trying to get kicked off. We got the retail sales that were down 1.1%. So this is why this took a fall this morning. And if you'll notice, as got brought to my attention by Daniel this morning, look at copper. Look at this. Boom. Look at this copper. Yeah. Yep. I took it my rule account. So look at copper this morning, man. This is a beautiful, beautiful entry here at the 28.50, 428.50, and just all the way down here to the 22. Copper had the big divergence that came in this morning. It's looking beautiful. So that was really a nice move there off the about 7:05 this morning, just prior to the um, retail sales. So that was kind of nice. But we have some good looking charts this morning. I haven't really checked silver. We'll go to oil here in a few minutes and check that out because the oil pit opened. Boom, right here. Oh, we got a 6-star right here on oil already. So that's kind of nice. Boom, right there. So yeah, the 6-star entry is way up here, guys. So that's going to be kind of fun there because we've already got an entry for it on the oil, which would be about the 15. So the 15 is your entry on it. 67.15. If we can come back up, this has still got 7 minutes, so we'll stay here, guys, and see what we get. Um, it just now gave me the alert for the 6-star, so it's cool though. But now we got this candle here, so we definitely would want to go above this one. 17 would be your entry on that one. Looks like the S&P is down about 19 points this morning, and well, let's see what else is going down here. Looks like 1875 actually. Watching it fall a little bit, just a little bit. S&P's holding. I don't really even like trading the ES that much. It just seems like it doesn't do much sometimes. Sometimes it does, but here lately it hasn't done nothing. So I just kind of don't trade it. I trade it only when I get alerts. I mean, that's pretty much all my charts, but we're not getting a lot of stuff on the S&P lately. And you got this support or resistance level right here on this on the oil. So we'll see if the pit brings it to the top or not. I do believe probably not. If it breaks this resistance right here, which is the new support here. Sorry, I still got my cold thing going on. 66.97 will be the fall if we can get her to come past that. So we could get a 6-star down this morning also on this thing, but we'll wait and see. Did you get your stuff fixed yesterday, Nicola? And welcome to the new person that's in here with us. I can see you're on there. Glad you came to the channel. But yeah, it's Daniel said he'd be back in a little while. He's getting the kids on the bus. Yeah, when Daniel gets back for the open, I'm going to have him. Not yet. Wow, I figured they'd get you straightened out yesterday. That's craziness. And of course, we're not talking. Me and Nikolov are not talking about our products. He's talking about an account he's setting up with someone else for trading. So just clarify that, you guys. It's not our stuff he's talking about, but our stuff. If you got anything, if you want to learn it and you want to get on here with us, we'll teach you how to set it up. It's not a problem. Not a problem. Walk you through the setup or whatever you need to know. Just catch me in the mornings or in the afternoons before I get off, and I get off at 3:30 Eastern time. So if you catch me before that, I can stay on a little longer and help you out with it, or I can invite you one-on-one and take care of it that way too. So that's all good. Looks like it's almost 9. 4 more minutes. Yep, and there she comes. I think we're going to get a 6-star in the oil this morning. I'd like to see oil come back down to at least the old support level at 77 down here, or maybe even break the 60. So that would be nice. Ooh, we got a silver 3 minutes. We got a silver 3 minute, guys. Yeah, there you go. This is good. I love silver. Okay, so basically, let's look left. Okay, you got support right where she's sitting. Okay, so she's gonna have to break that first. While we look left, guys, save yourself a headache. You know what I mean? All right, so we got this. We got the support level right there. So basically, the entry will be one tick below that. So the 44. Excuse me, not 44. Yeah, about the 44. She's sitting right there at the, I think that's the 47, about the 46, 45 area. So if she comes down past that, we can get into this. This is the 3 minute. So we're going to make our entry. I really like the 1 minute time frame on this. Um, let's check out the 1 minute over here too. There we go. You can manage the trade with that 1 minute time frame. There we go. Okay, so about the 4, yeah, she's definitely an entry on the 1 minute. So I'm going to go ahead and get into silver with one. Oops, if I can go on a late entry, but we're going to get right here at this 20, about the 25. So on the 1 minute, we're in a little late, but let's see what we got over here on the 3 minutes. So we're still good. I'm watching the 3 minutes. So I can just put this right here, 27. Hope she don't pull back on me. So, okay, well, I'm showing two different ones here. I don't get this. All right, good. We're good right there. So basically, I'm just kind of waiting for her to break this level here on the 3 minute. But I'll go back to the 1 minute. Um, I don't like to hold these silvers when they start pulling back because boy, she will kill you on a pullback. It does take 25 hours a tick. So this is one I tell you. This one here can make you or break you. So we definitely always watch the silver. You know what I mean? And this is what I'm looking at right here on the what on the 1 minute. You see, she's trying to come back down, but she's got the higher than average volume candles. So we're gonna wait and see what she'll do. If she pulls too far back, I will get out. I don't like taking big losses. Man, if you manage your account, manage your account. You know what I mean? It's all about managing your own money, managing your capital. Some people can withstand that big loss thing, and some can't. So it's just totally up to you. And right now, I'm, just I always watch mine really close, and I guard my capital. Right now, this is trying to go down, trying to go up. It doesn't know what it wants to do. So come on down, baby. That's what we want to see this thing fall. I like to see silver just falling down. There's a higher than average volume candle, though. So that's nice. So just keep coming on down here would be great. But we really don't have a lot of divergence. I suspect divergence will come in right here. Should be. I thought I'd seen some, but I didn't. So that's another mistake right there. So, but it's all right. I got a little bit of divergence. I can see the red in here. I need to brighten this one up too on my chart. So I'll probably fix that this afternoon. So we got to come down, maybe right down in here somewhere, 27, 720 down here. No, no, nope, nope. Trying to pull back. Come on. Come on down. See, I think this is going to return. Got the big long shadow wick here. You know what I mean? So it made this big long shadow wick, and that's an indication that, hey, I'm not going up. I'm going to probably stay down. So when I see these big long shadow wicks, that usually means it's going to continue back down. So we'll see. higher than average volume right here, but we'll see if she'll fall some more. NQ's got another uh, market move on it this morning, so we'll wait and see what this does. I don't think this is going to go. I wish it would fall, but looks like it's going to pull back against me, and I don't like the pullbacks in it. So come on down, baby. That's what we want to see. We want to see you fall. So I'll probably just wait till the open if this trade doesn't work out. But I got the 6-star. I got in a little late. I mean, but I really got in like right here. So it's not really that late, but it's the pullback of it. That's all it is. You got the down and we got the pullback. So yeah, that's going to be a crazy little pullback right here. I'm hoping this now will fall. You got your little pullback. So can we push it down is the question. That's what we're waiting on. The trade manager is telling us to stay in it. So just wait to see if she'll push it down. 75 bucks down. So I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, it's well, this is starting to look it's wanting to go back up. So you got the higher than average volume candles, got the gray candle. Yeah, that's my indication right there to get out of this one. The green candle's my exit. So I'm getting out of that. Took $125 loss, not staying in it. So back over here, the NQ guys, we got the 6-star going on right here, but we can't make an entry because we have this level here. So I'm going to wait till the open before I make any of the judgments of trades, because right now I'm getting into them, but they're just not kind of panning out. And it's because it's just the market this morning, but it's no big deal. So we'll wait for a good one, guys, this morning, and we will jump on it. Silver might return, but I don't take those. I can't write out these $300, $400, $500 pullbacks. I just can't. Not when I'm doing my consistency and stuff with my account. So you guys, if you guys know that I am trading a live account, and I just took on that new challenge. So I'm doing a challenge with a bunch of you guys out there, and I know you guys are following me. So I'm going to do it just like I would do my other account, my 150K account. I'm going to get my consistency rule every day, and I'm going to manage my trades. I'm not taking big losses on those accounts, and we do have an average, daily average we had to, that we can make, but not go over for the first 3 days. So, yeah, basically my 3 days will be up like Thursday, but it's kind of cool though to take the challenge. So, and it's good for the people to know that, hey, I got a real account and I'm taking this other funded account challenge. So that way you guys see a real, real person using real money, not, by other count, the 150K, it's not a bunch of fake stuff. I'm trading, we're trading our own stuff here. So we don't do the sim account, and we earn all that kind of crap. So you see me take trades, you'll know they're real. So I could have got it. I could have stayed in this, but this right here would have been a serious pullback for me. But as you can see, return. But I just can't deal with the big, these pullbacks here. This was 125 right here. So 150. This would have been probably a $600 pullback or more for me. And I just ain't doing it. So basically, we are on the 1 minute though. So we're going to give this candle time, because if this candle decides to come back down in 30 seconds with a big candle, I could jump back on this and kill this again. But I don't think silver wants to this morning. I think silver is wanting to do its own thing, based on what the oil's doing this morning. So look at the oil. Oil's moving up, trying to get back to this level, guys, that we were trying to get to earlier. So with the oil moving up, I think the silver is going to kind of try to move up also. and the copper should be on a rebound. Yep, and there it is. When the oil's moving up, copper's on a rebound. So we could get a 6-star buy on this copper also. So we're going to keep an eye on that one big time. The NQ this morning that we were looking at, look, there's a 6-star again right there on this one. We need to break this 32.75, guys. It breaks the 32. We get in about the 32, about the 32.25 or even the 32 even. And this has got some serious fresh air way down to the bottom. As you can see on my chart, we'll kind of like go like this and let you guys see a bigger picture here. Like, wow, it's got nowhere to go here. It's way down. Look at this. Look where the bottom is. Okay, you've got the marker at the 21.75 here. So the 22, the 22, and then like the 9.95. So that's what our targets are. You know what I mean? So 22 is, like right here, right? That's the 21 right there. So I'm going to put a marker just for myself right there at the 22. And then you've got the 9.95, which is way down here on the bottom. So I'm going to mark that also for myself to let me know those are the two areas I'll be watching if she falls. Okay, so basically, we're on the 1 minute here. Let's give this thing about another 6 seconds. If it breaks this, the next candle, then we'll make an entry on it. There it is right there. Oh, man, come on. Right there. Let's see if we can make an entry on this one here. I'd like to see her go a little lower, but she's so close to this. We had the rebound last time we came here, so I'm kind of watching this one. Right. I'm just going to take the entry there at the 30. I don't know why I got it's a 30. It's a 32, but it's all right. I'm in at the 30, guys, and I got my stop is way up here, so 10 points, 42. We'll come down to the 22, hopefully, on this one. We'll see if this one does. I want to see if it'll push down for us. We got the divergence here. We got the 6-star. We get the higher than average volume candles pushing down. So let's see what we can get. Just try to get something off of it. There she comes. At least down to the 22, maybe. So we can get to the 22 down here. That would be kind of great if we can get a 22. You know what I mean? So we're in the trade. I keep my stop losses 10 points for my entry. Entry's at 32. My stop loss is at 42. My first target's at 22. So, and my second target's 9.95. And that's how I'm going to roll with this one. Okay. So we're in the trade. I'm $105 up right now. Great entry on this one. We got divergence. We got the trade manager working for us, higher than average volume candles. And remember, guys, I take profits when I see them. So if I take my profits and you still want to stay in, the trade manager's got the dots, the higher than average volume, you can stay in this and make money. But hey, I'm staying this one for a while. So if we can get it, if we can get this down and push even further down would be great. But now I'm kind of like $5. So it went to 105, but it's not over with yet. I'm going to rebuild and fall right here. So higher than average volume coming down again. You can see the trade manager is telling you, whoops, sorry. Trade manager is telling you to stay in the trade. See the higher than average volume candles, stay in it. So if anybody's in the trade, let me know. And let's take this thing down. Let's see if it'll go down for us this morning, right before the open would be beautiful. I'd like to see this fall to at least here before the open, and then the open push down to even to the bottom. So we'll see. This could be, one of those ones that we don't, it just craps out because of the where it's sitting, but we'll see. Give it time to see if it'll move down on us this morning. Crazy market at Tuesdays. Jesus. Every time. It's this morning. Is it just me or is it Tuesday? That's what it is. Every Tuesday, it's like Tuesday sometimes is just, been so stupid. It's like Tuesday sometimes is like, wow, I can't make my mind up what day it is. But all the futures are slipping ahead of the open. So I don't know if the open's going to be a big move up or if we're going to get a big fall because everything's falling prior to the open. So I think the retail, everybody's wanting, I think the traders are all wanting to see the market come down. And I really hope it does come down a good another 100 points because we need a good fall for a readjustment. You know what I mean? We're too high in these prices. So let's bring it on down like to 14 something. Yep. There we go. There was a pullback right there. So we're going to see if she'll continue falling. You got your pullback. There's pullback. There's the pullback. So yeah, here's another pullback. Maybe we can get to come back down on the pullback, bouncing off this support, which is now resistance at the about the 30. So is that about the 33? So yeah, that's why I'm saying about that 24. No, the 22 is where I want it to come to. So we can get to break that 24. It'll come to the 22 if we just get it continuing fall. But we're just going to stay in. I'm only $10 down, so staying in it. Yeah, that's true. They might have enough to get through that zone, but we can just take it to that zone would be nice. That's 10 points. You know what I mean? But it looks like to me, if it doesn't have enough gas to go down, it shouldn't even have enough gas to go up, right? But you know how that goes. Weirder shit's happened on Tuesdays. Pardon my French. But we're riding it out just to see where it's going to go here. Um, if it pulls back too far, I will get out because I don't want to take a loss. Yeah, it's a possibility, Daniel, that we could play right here. It's only got another 15 minutes, but I'm not going to hold it 15 minutes and lose 300-400 either. Not doing that. But she looks like she wants to come down. These lower than average volume candles here. This is the green that we don't want to see. I don't. But she's still trying to play around. $40 now is not a big deal. So I'm just going to hold it and see. Who knows? We hold it. Oh, well, there's something I didn't want to see. Didn't want to see that candle. That's for sure. Didn't want to see that one, but it's all right. It's part of the pullback. You got the down here, higher than average volume, pull back now. So maybe this is right here could be the continuation. I don't think if it pulls back again, then yeah, I'll probably get out of it. But I think she's wanting to go down. I really do. I think I'm gonna stay and hold this and just wait it out, you know. Survive through the pullback. Weathering the storm with the trade manager. That's what we're doing. Weathering the storm. Hey, if it goes down to $40, I'll take it. If it stalls out, whatever. Money's money. Doesn't bother me. Yeah, I don't mess with that. I don't really mess with them other ones, man, because boy, some of those that platinum, man, boy, I tell you what, that platinum, it's a money maker. But boy, if you make the wrong side of that trade, you're gonna be done. And see, I weathered the storm, and the trade manager kept me in the trade. I didn't hit the EMA like I normally do. So staying in the NQ here. Now I got a lot on it, $10 so far, but hey, I stuck through it. So yeah, I don't have natural gas up on my screen. I don't really never mess with natural gas because it just doesn't do a lot for me. I trade more. We can put it up. I'll put it up there this afternoon though for you guys. So we'll have it tomorrow. I'm just working on this NQ coming down here. So, you guys can see I was $100 down up here, but now the trade manager told me to stay in. So I held this and I was $100 up there for a second, but now I'm 35, but she's still trying to come down, which is good. So the trade manager has kept me in the trade to here so far, and I've weathered it out. and we'll see if she comes down and falls. And we've only got about 15 minutes to the open. So, man, if this thing comes down to here at the open, just starts tanking, we're already in this thing. And there she comes, $85.95. So that's cool. She comes down to 22. I'll probably take my profits and wait for the open. Unless she scoots on by it and just keeps trucking. And so, anybody else is in this trade, man, happy Tuesday. Woo. Okay, you got the higher than average volume candle again right here on the down. So we're getting volume coming in on the downside now. And she's pushing. We'll get this 22 down here. That's what I'm looking at. 22. Come on, I'm only 3 points away from my target on the first target. So we'll see what she does. As long as she keeps printing those higher than average volume candles, though, and we're still going down, we're not getting out of this one until it does its thing. We already passed the 22. Now we're at 21. This will be a good place. If it's going to bounce, this will be where it'll happen, guys, right here at the 22. Down to 19. So we'll wait and see here what she does. 121, excuse me, 21, 22 right there. 021, 022. Boom, there's the 21 right there. We're trying to break this level right there where you see my line, right at the 22. If we can bust this 22, higher than average volume candles, then guys, we have a chance to go down to the 995 on this if we break this 22, because she's got fresh air all the way down. Okay. Yeah. So we're just kind of looking right there, and see this candle's only got 30 seconds on the 1 minute. And if we see the next candle form down below this, boom, we're going down. I didn't get in late. I got up into here after it broke support, 32. So, all right. So basically, we're just waiting for it to come down. Oh, okay, yeah. I think you're right too. Why in 1 minute? That's good. Good morning there. Beating you. that's like that movie. God, I can't. That's that Jeepers Creeper movie. Remember this tag on his truck? That was cool. Good movie, man. But it's awesome. Guys, I was playing Xbox last night with some friends, and I got a lot of my guys now on the Discord asking about the Discord because all the guys that were in there playing with me last night, I must have played Xbox like 40 dudes. And I don't know, 30 of them have texted me this morning wanting to learn how to trade. And I said, hey, I'll come on in. I'll teach you. Follow us, man. It's not that hard to learn. I can teach this to a third grader. Trade manager's telling you stay in the trade. So we're staying in the trade. I want to keep below this, though. It's just trying to pull back on me. Got that long wick there. That's really kind of really up there she comes. She's got that higher than average volume right there, guys, going on. And we're not even at the open yet. I like to take this down further if it will go. Yeah, come on. Don't pull back that far on me. $300, man. I might just take that 300 if it gets there again. You know what I mean? I like being greedy and taking my money. We'll stay in though and see what she's going to do here. We still got 30 seconds on this 1 minute candle, so we're just going to stay in here and watch it and see what she does. It's a good trade though, really good trade. About 20 seconds on it. Wait till she comes down. The market open could push this to the bottom. So we are in a good spot if it opens and pushes it down. A very good spot. Okay, so where's the next candle going to be? Back to the 22. See if we can break this again. If she doesn't break it, I'll probably take some profits right here, guys. We'll see. She's trying though. She's really trying to keep down, so that's a good thing. The average higher than average volume right here on these candles. So this one doesn't have any. It's like a one candle wonder. Anybody else in here with us? Good morning, Beanie. Anybody else in this trade? Now this is the one of the levels here, resistance levels or support levels here to the side, guys. So we broke the support level there at the 22, and this one's the next one. I marked at the 995 down here. We're just trying to see if it'll push down further. She's trying. Awesome, man. Good job. Awesome. I'm glad to see you did get that short, man. Get that short. That's awesome. Ghost Rider. All right, so just trying to pull back here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just take my 150 bucks right there, guys. I'm not gonna wait for the pullback. Hey, profits are profits. I'll take the 150. So see if she pulls back in. We're just gonna wait to the open now. Got 6 minutes, so we're gonna see what this thing does. I have a feeling they're gonna bring it back at the open. Maybe you're gonna see a little wick up on this candle, and then bam. So we're gonna wait and see. But we're gonna stay with this, Daniel. If you want to at the open, um, you can watch the YM or the watch the YM or something like that. I can also keep track of the NQ, or I like to really watch the silver at the open or the YM. If you want to watch the silver, and I'll watch the NQ. Um, that way we can kind of cover some charts. You know what I mean? Anybody else want to help play along? Pick a chart. You see it running, let me know. But we wait on the signals. We just don't trade them because they run. Um, and I made a good decision getting out right there. That was a great decision. So let me get me some more coffee, guys. I always take my little 2 second, like a 1 little minute break right here before the open and get me some coffee. So I'll take a break here for like 1 minute, and I'll be back at like 26 because it's 24 now. Actually, it's 25 now. So just give me a minute or two, and I'll be right back. Yeah, you can watch the YMRTY this morning. Okay, cool. Um, I'll kind of just keep my eye out on the NQ and the silver. Then that way we can kind of correlate these charts this morning. But I do believe this is going to come right back down to this 22 at the open. Um, yeah, I know. I do believe it's going to come down right here to the open and probably tank. Well, because it's been a down market, and the Dow fell a lot. So I'm hoping that this NQ will come on down like the Dow. I would like to see this thing fall 200 points. Be a nice trade. Anyway, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. Gonna get the chair and slide back over here. There you go. So we got about what, 2 minutes to the open, so that's great. We're back up here again at the sold support level, right back there again at the 22. Isn't that amazing? Watch this thing fall at the open. Re-entry again at the 21. Passes that 21 at the open, we're going to get back into this because it's a continuation of this down. Yeah, the metals really don't run the open. Sometimes they do, though. I've seen silver run pretty good. And, you know, like yesterday, we had the YM, the oil, the gold. I mean, there's a lot of things running yesterday. So we got a continuation of this one. That's what I'm hoping to see. It pushed down. I'm going to probably enter the 2150 if she'll come back down. And she's probably going to come right back down at the open here, guys. So we're going to wait. We only got a minute. So let's give it 1 minute. Wait till the open gets here because I have a feeling this NQ is going to fall. I hope so. Continuation of the down. We got the pullback right here. We got out, and here it comes. It's preparing right now. 30 seconds. You'll probably see a pullback right here on this candle before the next one takes a serious fall. 20 seconds. 20 seconds till the open. So let's wait and see. I'm going to go ahead and get ready to enter this just in case. Four seconds. 2, 1. Market is now open. And I'm entering it right there. And that's what I wanted to see. There's what I wanted to see on the open right there. Now, if it pulls way back on me at the open, I'll get out, but I doubt it will. It's going to come on down. It's going to dip down. Yep, dipping down hard on the NQ also. I made a second entry right at the support level at 2150. And boom, come on down. It's awesome. This is a beautiful move, guys. Oh my God. 500, $600 right there. Candle's got a minute, 4 seconds to go, 2 seconds to go for another one. I told you it's going to hit that 995, 984. Past the level we want. Yeah. I'm still in it with 700, man. Here's another $1,000 day. Yep, another $1,000 morning. So we're good. Woo! Yes, I called this one right, boys. We are in to win. Uncle Paul's taught me a lot. Staying in this I'm gonna stay in this. I'll probably take my profits around 900 if I can get 900 out of it. I'm at 750 right now, so $800. I like to see that $1,000 mark and then take my profits at $1,000. So we'll see. I'm almost to 1,000, guys. Almost. Come on, give me my $1,000 this morning. That's what I want to see. But I'll take 850 if I can get it. You know what I mean? I'm not greedy, so it's good. It's holding right there. Woo! There she comes right there. Boom! Look at this fall. Trade manager has done its job, guys. I told you the pullback of the down, the retrace right here, the next entry would be right here at the 2150, and that's exactly where it was on this trade, 2150. Pulling back, so I'm going to probably take my profits if this thing pulls back too far. She's going to try to come back down, hopefully. There she comes. I'll take my profits this time at 800 if I can get there. Divergence has really kicked in on this thing, man. Really kicked in. I mean, seriously kicked in. I think that's going to be the bottom right here. So I'm going to probably take my profits at 800. Come on, baby. Yeah, 825. Will she go lower is the question. All right. I'm taking my profits right there, guys. 700 bucks for the pullback. Boom. $700 trade. And I knew she was going to pull back real hard. So I got, because the open. So I even took that on the 1 minute chart, man. That's a beautiful trade. Look at that. Did I get out at the right time or what? It's a great trade right there. Ooh, that was nice. Boom, it's a win. $700 this morning already. That's a massive trade. Massive trade. And if you can, it's still it's still showing the bear market. If you want to weather the pullback, she's probably going to come down again. But I got out and took my profits, and that's a good call right there. I think on this one is to go ahead and take it down. So the oil's got you said the oil's got a 4 and a 5. Anybody else capitalize on that NQ trade this morning with me? Anybody? Oh, there you go. I don't know why it said 490. That's weird. Oh, I guess it hasn't added the rest, so whatever. Sometimes it does that end of the day thing. So okay, we got oil over here. Boom. Oh my God, look at oil. This is crazy. That's crazy. Whoops. I didn't want to do that. There we go. So we're going to go over to the 3-minute on oil and check it out. Look at this. Yeah, you got the sell here, but it didn't happen. But that doesn't mean anything because she's allowed to return back and go down. If we get the 6-star here, you guys know that the entry on the 6-star would be the 53, 52, somewhere in that area. I usually like to wait and go like a tick below, maybe a tick and a half, 52, somewhere in that area. But man, we just had a great trade on that NQ this morning. $700 trade. That was beautiful. I think it actually topped. I think it should be making actually 695.50 is what it says on my screen. So anyway, 700 bucks. Yeah, we could get the 6-star buy here, guys. But you got the resistance level over here. See it right there, the top of that candle, 67.40. So if we do get a 6-star here on this oil, we have to enter about the 41 on this. Maybe the 41, 42. Because we got to make sure we get our entries above those levels. So about the 41s, right there's the 41. Excuse me. There's the 40. Yeah, right there. That was the 42, I think, right there. There's the 42 right there where she's sitting. So she's sitting at the 42 now, but let's see if we get a 6-star buy here on this because we just hit the bullish market. The bias indicator is showing you bullish down here. So we can see if this oil flies. So good morning, everybody in YouTube. Good morning, everybody just tuning in our channel. Hit the like and subscribe button. Ring the notification bell. Make sure you got your account set on your real account, not your sim, because we do that sometimes. Forget to turn it on. Oh, crap. How many times have you made a trade and went, oh, shoot, I'm in my sim? I did that. Like, I think Daniel did it one day, and I did it last week one day. I was like, oh, man, I took $1,000 on my sim. But it's all right. I turned around the next trade later and got a 1,200. It was funny. But we'll wait and see if this all breaks right here, man. If it breaks this level, we can take this for a nice trade. Get that buy. We can get that 6-star buy. We don't trade anything but our signals. And the reason is you can guess on this and took this, but if this thing reversed on you, it's just point and click. I don't do that. I stick to my rules. I only trade the signals. I need divergence coming in. I need a 6-star. I need a 6-star buy. I need the higher than average volume candles on those. So everything has to match. You got to have that bullish bias down here at the bottom. You got to have all this stuff lining up, like lining up the stars. It all has to be in line to make a great trade. And that's what we want to see. Alrighty. Looks like this. Come back and check this. Yeah, it's still running up. I figured it would. Made a good decision in getting out of that one, that's for sure. We took it down and just killed it and got out. We called it right at the open, though. We had that thing set perfect on the open, guys. You couldn't have made a better trade there. I was with one contract at 695 also. Now, this might be our 6-star candle, guys. It could possibly be the one. We might get a 6-star buy right here on this hole. If you guys will look back over here to the left, you can see we got some resistance right there. The top. That was last night, 61. Right there. So you got that resistance there about the 61 right there, guys. And then you've got another level up here. So the high on this right now is this 84. So if she breaks the 61, guys, we're good to the 84. Fresh air from the 61 to 84 this morning. And that's what we want to see. I think she's going to run. I really do. And if you're into micros, MCL's got a 6-star in the 5-minute. I think this oil is going to push. Good Tuesday. Already up $695 this morning, so it's a good day. 695 on the day. Not a bad morning. And it's funny, I did the 695 this morning, way before I got the 1500 yesterday. 1500 yesterday was at 943. This morning we took it, 930, 937, 938, right in that area. I think 937 is when I got out of the other one a couple minutes ago. So like 7 minutes in the market, done to almost $700 using the trade manager. And this is how we roll. This is how we do it. Anybody else take that NQ trade with me? Remember, put your trades in the YouTube chat and use a testimonial that you got out here and made some money with us, and say, hey, I use the trade manager, just entered 2 and it's great. Okay, good deal. 6-star on the oil. Oh, on the 5-minute, yeah. I'm sorry to say I am on the oil. There it is right there. Okay, good deal. Thank you, man. So basically, the 6-star on the oil is right there, just right at the support level at the 61 I was telling you guys about. So we still can't enter this just yet. The 61 is right there. So we have to make sure she breaks this to go into this. Okay. So basically, 61 is the level of the resistance level we're looking at. So we'll probably make our entry around the 62 if we can get in this 61 and a half. I'd probably just go in at 62 just to be safe and take it to the 84. 84 is way up here, guys. The next resistance level is the 84. So we'll take this line for you guys to see that. Right there. There's the 84 right there. So I kind of mark it for you guys, let you know what I'm thinking and where I'm looking at exiting and entering and all that good stuff. That 84 would be my target if I can get this to go. Been a beautiful morning already. I like it when we make money early in the mornings. Get our day started. But that NQ was, I mean, that candle went boom, shot down. But we figured it would. That was a great entry. I entered 21.50 and took it all the way down. So that's nice. I got just in time too for the big pullback. But we figured that was going to pull back at the open anyway, because the open candles are always flashy. They like to do their wildness and the whipsaws and stuff like that. So, but when you got the trade manager telling you to stay in the trade right before the open, I mean, you can't go wrong there. I mean, you can't go wrong there. A quick $700. And what's funny about this new challenge I'm taking, guys? This new challenge I'm on has $1,000 drawdown. That is it. I mean, you can't, you know, well, now I've got way more than that because I'm building the account. But when you start out with it, you've got to really, really manage your trades. It forces you to make better decisions because when you got to say if you got a bigger drawdown on some of the accounts, I've learned this from trading, and I've learned this from trading and being around Paul. Um, just because you take an account, a funded account challenge with a bigger drawdown, it gives you that mindset that, oh, I can lose 4 grand, I'll be fine. Well, that's not a good mindset to be in, because you're always trying to fight your way back if you lose that 4 grand. You know what I'm saying? Your better mindset is, if you really want to put restraints on yourself, is to get a 50K account with $1,000 drawdown. So you really have to be disciplined to trade that. You really have to be disciplined. You really just got to take your profits. You really got to really watch your trades. And to me, it's, that's the ultimate challenge, because $1,000 is not hard to lose, but it will put discipline on you. So just to that's how I kind of look at these, unless, you've been trading for a long time, that's okay. But I mean, if you've not been trading very long, less than a year, I don't recommend them big giant counts with the big downs, because of the, where you got that big level, because you're going to have that mindset going in. Well, I got a $5,000 drawdown. I can lose 4 grand. I'll be fine. But as soon as you lose that 4 grand, you got to realize, if you got to make 9 grand to pass it in 15 days, you got to tack that 4 on, so you're going to make 13 now. And it's just kind of like, it kind of flows the same way. You just always, you're in the hole. So I do have a 150K account, and I do have this one. This new one is a 50, but I took this challenge because a friend of mine taking it too. And I kind of found out that yesterday. So it's kind of cool that we're both on it, just doing it. We're just doing it. And he's on here all the time too. We wanted to see if we could really buckle it down ourselves, and it's kind of fun. You just kind of buckle it down. RGY on the 1 minute. Let's go back and get this off of here. Boom, there it is. A buy on the one. Why am I this? I don't know why my chart's on the 2 minute this morning. I think I was looking at it earlier this morning. There you go. Now we got the 1 minute chart up here. Oh yeah, this is looking good. But you got to break resistance up there though, Daniel, with the 186 before this trade even has a chance. Right there. We don't want to trade this yet. That's for sure. But we're getting some good signals coming in. No, Dave, I'm not. I started going Top Step. But I just I like Top Step. I know a bunch of guys over there. Like I know a bunch of guys, like a bunch of friends of mine work at One Up Trader. I got a couple of friends, Gabriel, that works for Earn to Trade. So I've learned a lot about those guys. I've been around a bunch of them. I've met some of them in person, but I haven't tried. I really was going to try those guys, but they've talked to me about it, but I just don't like the whole factor of having to do it twice, and Earn to Trade's, got a really good deal over there. You can get with their their discount code, you can get a 50K account for $102. That's cheap, man. Or you can get the 150 for 200. So that's cheap. It's cheap. So it's kind of cool. and I think it's end of day surf. I don't think they'll care for me telling you guys, but the code on that is NEND day DAY surf SURF. End of day surf gets you a 40% or almost half off of any one of their accounts. And you can also tell them that you talk to Mike or Wall Street Cowboy. They all know me over there, and they don't mind me promoting that, them, because I mean, if you got a funded account, hey, we don't care if you're funded account or trying to get through a funded account. Just come trade with us and get the products, and you'll see how these 6-star trades work with this trade manager, and you're going to pass your account. You know what I mean? Because I mean, I'm using it, and passing is not a problem anymore. So me and Daniel both know we've had friends that's reset 20, 30, 40 times, and now they haven't reset once since they've been on here. Not one time. So it's cool. Yeah, Top Step is hard. It is hard. Um, but I think it's like any other. They want you to manage. And the thing about managing your account is the same thing with a trade manager. The trade manager is, showing you to manage your account with these big, giant, high volume candles. This is how you stay in the trade. And years ago, if I didn't have this, you know what I mean? So it's like, okay, if I seen a candle moving back up, I got out right then. But most of the time on the pullback. But with the trade manager, I can stay in trades a lot longer and get more profits. And it's just really nice to have it. It helps you make a better decision in your trading. With the algo and the divergence cloud kicking in like this right here, the 6-star and the divergence coming in, and the high volume, above high volume candles coming down to with the cyan dots on the top, that's the trade manager telling you, hey, dude, it's great. Yeah. Yeah, Dave, just get it, man, when you can. It's beautiful though. It really is. It's a good thing to have. And I think it's like I forget the price on it. Damien can tell you guys all that. The link's in the description and all that. There's also a video on it, how to use it and everything. So it's really cool. But if you guys see, I use it every day, and every day since I've had it, since last Tuesdays when I got it, because it just came out last week. um, Tuesday profitable, Wednesday profitable, Thursday profitable, Monday and Tuesday today. 5 days I've had straight green wins for 5 days straight now. 5 days. I've been 5 days in profit. So I'm up 78, 991, 80. Let's see, 80. 8,000. Yeah. So right now I'm up 8,400 since last Tuesday using the trade manager with the algo. So that's not bad, man. Oh, well, it's not bad. What am I saying? It's not bad. That's damn great. I've never been $8,400 in 5 days. So I know it works. That's why I talk about it all the time. And I tell you guys, hey, this is a beautiful thing, man. Let's go to silver, guys. We're going to look at the silver chart real fast over here because I do believe right there's the 4-star on the silver. Boom, right here. Now the silver's got a ways to go also. So right now, guys, we're just kind of trending around. So basically, we'll just kind of go back. Let's just go back to the RTY and watch it. But we're basically kind of trending around the charts right now. We're not really doing anything much. And I think what it is they're going to wait till this Powell speaks at like 12:30 Central, 1:30 Eastern. And look at this thing, man. We might get a 6-star right here. So continuation of the 6-star. The 6-star entry was right here, but you got to take the support level into your thoughts here. Breaks the support. She's going to come right back down to here, more than likely. This is what I like about it also, man. I mean, there's been times I'll mark a line like over here, like way over here, like an hour ago, and come back and get the 6-star that didn't really do nothing, hit support. But then I mark my line across here and then look back an hour later and go, wow, this thing plummeted. And it plummeted because of this. It's a pull. This is the down. This is the pullback. Okay. And this is the continuation of this down. That's exactly what it is. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Let's see. We got nothing there. So this is kind of how it works. If you'll notice this down, up, down. I want to show you guys this if I can with my thing here. Basic. So you got this, okay. I don't think I can. I don't know why. I got to figure out how to get my. I would like to have one of those ways I just draw when I want to. So you got this. You got this, okay, and then you've got. This is for people who maybe who just started trading or whatever. Kind of like showing you guys. And then you got this right here. I mean, you got the one coming down here. So boom. So you can see we got boom, boom, boom. What does this pattern look like to you guys? Well, there's your down, little up, then a down again. So that's one of your typical patterns. It's like a W. It's like a big W fall pattern there. I think we're going to get a 6-star on this again. This is what it does. This is the down. This is the pullback of the down. This is the continuation of the down. And that's exactly what this is doing right here. And I imagine if we put a harmonics on it, you probably even got a harmonics pattern right here. But it's great. It's great. I love messing with my charts. I like to just show you guys different things. And a lot of you guys already know it, I'm sure, but there's people out there that are new to the market, new to trading. And if you're new to trading, let us know, give us a shout out and say, hey, I'm new. I want to learn, because I don't have a problem, walking you through stuff and teaching you anything you want to learn about the market. I started out doing the old trend trading, and which is, you guys know what trend trading is, I'm sure, the trend lines, break trend lines and things like that. But that trend trading taught me a lot about support, resistance, and the points of where the market's going to go. Market structure is important, but you don't have to be a genius at all to use the trade manager. If you get a 6-star sell and you go down one tick below it, of course you got support, so you come down one tick below this and you enter this and you go down, okay, to the next level here. But you don't have to be a genius to follow the dots that tell you, hey, stay in the trade. It's not rocket science, like Paul says, Uncle Paul. It's not rocket science. You just got to hang in there. But you can pick this up. I mean, we got guys who just got this same day I did. Actually, I think Daniel and Nikolov, I think you and Daniel got it before, didn't you? And I think you guys got a day before I got it. Well, look at this. Look at this, man. Woo. Yeah, your entry is going to be right where she's setting. So we might get another entry. Let's see if we can take the NQ down. Come on. There you go. I'm just going to make an entry right here, guys, at the 55 level, 54. Excuse me, it's 55 right there. Let's see if I get killed or if it goes back down higher than average volume. I do think she's going to try to fall back down to the 55, but I don't want to take a big loss here, and that's what's happening right now. Get down there, 30-second pullback. I might have went late on the entry. Of course, the market is being kind of stupid right now. 65, 64. 55 is what I'm kind of looking at. Maybe 50, maybe 49 if it'll fall down to past. If it gets past the 55, we got it made, but I'm not going to take a large loss here. Yeah. Come on, baby. Get back down. There you go. Got that higher than average volume candle coming back in, saving the day, shaking out, like you said, shaking out them weak shorts. But she could possibly hang here. So I'm definitely going to have to probably flatten this one out because she's going to hang more than likely. But it's all right. Oh, yeah, there it is. I'm definitely not chancing that one. I'm just not doing it. Should have not entered that one because guess what? That's not good. That was terrible. Got in a little late on this one, but we figured she'd hang, guys. That's a hanging trade, and I'll wait till she comes down. We still got 15 seconds, so I can still make a new entry on this one. She's still at the level here. Basically, the 70, about the 70s where the entry will be if we can get to come back down, guys. Or I just take part of the up here on an up candle. Reversal. Yeah. Oh, crap. What am I doing? Sorry, guys. That was not a trade, supposedly. I hit the wrong button. So whatever. I'll just get positive on it. I'll just get out of it. It's so stupid. It's all right, though. I hit the wrong button, Daniel. I was looking over what you said, and I went, yeah, hit the wrong side of my computer there. But it's all right. It's cool. $10 down. Yeah, the Virgins is falling out of it. We don't even bother trying to trade this one right now. Yeah, but I'll just take the up right here. I know it happens with my mouse. It happens with your mouse. Yeah, that's what I figured. That point of control is right there. That's pretty much a 70 right there somewhere. 75, probably 79. Yeah, I just got out. I'm just going to get out of there. I made that wrong button hit there. I just kind of closed it out. Anyway, she's going to try to bounce right here back up to the top, so we ain't going to mess with that one. Yeah. Yeah, I hit that wrong button, Daniel. I'm like, whoa, what am I doing? it's like, what? It's right on the side. Oh, and also, man, I took those those shortcuts. I took them off my keyboard. Because that if you're typing a message, you're in trouble if you type messages. That look at this now, it's going to follow me. Really? Are you kidding me? Wow. Isn't that hilarious? That's all right. Next candle down, we'll take it. It's only a 1 minute chart. So we got 30 seconds to the next candle anyway. So next candle down, we'll just take the next candle and take it down if we get higher than average volume. But she doesn't look like you said, the divergence is kind of falling out of it. So I think this might come down to the 848 and just get stopped. You know what I mean? But I could have got no loss here. So, but it's okay. I just wanted to get out of that thing. Go back in. See if she'll stay down this time. Gee whiz. Yeah, it should keep going this time. If it doesn't, I'm just going to quit trading it. I'm taking over losses on this thing. Come on down, baby. Push. 30 seconds. We'll see if this next candle takes a tank down here, at least down to the bottom down here. Yeah, it's just pulling back so much, man. Jeez whiz. Yeah, this thing is just ridiculous. Come on. I know it says hold. It does. Saying for us to hold right here, guys. It's just trying to take its time. I want to see them shoot it down. No, this ain't gonna happen, guys. I don't think so. I'm gonna wait this one out. I wait to pull back down. The trade manager saying down, but I can't do no $400 loss. Yeah, I'm out of that one. That's just BS. So now I'm down like $500 because of that. Ugh, ouch. Mm. That's enough for the NQ for me today. Shit. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. When you got to watch when you got to manage an account, you can't be taking these kind of pullbacks. You can't do. Yeah, if you got plenty of capital, you can do it, but no, I'm not. That's the last one on there. No more trades on the NQ for me. So I got to get a really good trade now. Well, I'm still up. I'm still made 700, so I'm still up 200 today. But that right there, pullback shot me. That really kind of sucked. But we stayed in the trade manager, took us right. Of course, we probably shouldn't have traded it no way because it's damn resistance level. But we made the right entry on it. I should have just took it right here and got out, but it pulled back on me and I got nailed. But it's part of it. You know, you're not always gonna win every one of them. But I ain't worried about the money because one trade I'll get that back. Boom, done. You know what I mean? I'm getting off at 10:30 this morning for my morning break in about 26 minutes. I'm probably going to get some water before then because I swear this is like, this cold thing is like ridiculous, man. It's almost perfect. You can almost time these ups. I mean, this is kind of cool too. That's what I like about the trade manager. Comes down, but you can almost see the pullbacks. I almost see them every time. I've got where I'm just about nailed them, you know, to where they're going to go. Alrighty then. So we got the NQ's not really doing. Oops. Let me get back this thing over here. There we go. So right now we got no alerts on any charge. So I think the market's just all kind of waiting around for Goofy to speak this morning. So we'll see what happens. Look at coming back again. No, thank you. Staying away from the NQ. Not playing those games. You can see it's now. Look at it now. It's like I'm looking at it right here going, wow. You can see it's ranging right here. So I'm not even interested in this at all. Not at all. Now, if we got a couple big candles that came in and broke this down here, maybe then we get a move. But for right now, I don't see it. Don't see it happening. You see, there's the down right there. So 955 is the area, and we're below that. So this is the 48. We knew the 55 was a key level, 55.60. Remember, I told you guys that was our target earlier. That it never made it to. Oh, excuse me. I should just take two and kill this thing. But I'm not going to. She's pulling back too much, and she's staying right in this range right here. So it needs to come on down here to break this range at this bottom down here, which is the 48.50. Until it passes that, I'm definitely not even interested in this NQ at all. Right there. Needs to break that right there, 48.50. Breaks the 48.50, she's got a chance to go lower, but if not, we're looking for the bounce here. If it comes down to here, then boom, she's probably going to take off and go back the other way. Or we might get lucky and her really, really, really fall. But let's see what we got over here. I'm going to go back on the chart. See this guy's right here? Boom. This is the target she's trying to get to, which is the 922. The 922 is a great level. So we know if we can break this, the 922 is right. There's a 20 right there. So we're going to go ahead and just mark it. Right there. There's the 22 right there. So we know that it's trying to get to there. 21.95. So if she'll come back and break through this level to the 48, she's going to go to the 22. If not, she's going to try to get back up to the resistance level at the 30. So either way, we're going to see what we can do. But now it's kind of ranging now. So divergence is gone. Like Nikolov said, we kind of lost divergence out of this, but hey, it's cool. We're not down too much. I'm still up 200 for the day, so that's cool. Actually, 295. So it's all right. Not a big deal. We're gonna wait and see what happens this morning. I think we're gonna be trading like seriously stupid on a Tuesday here. We might get sideways for a while because I think they're gonna wait for Powell to do his thing at 12:30, and I think that's what the market's waiting on. It says the U.S. are in talk with the Taliban. Okay, whatever. Who are they talking to? You know, that's funny. I thought we didn't deal with terrorists, but we're talking to them. It's funny. It's hilarious. Okay, so basically, we've had a pretty good morning. Yeah, that's what's important, man. As long as you're up on your account, it don't matter if I got a small loss. It's not a big deal. But I treat it like it is. It is what it is. Sometimes you'll have days where you might have made a mistake or something and maybe lose something, but it's all right. There's always tomorrow too, and if I get down, I sometimes if I'm down, I might decide, hey, with the market the way it looks right now, there's no trades out here. And who knows, we might not get another 6 star or a buy or sell until after this thing clears up with Powell. So, and it's not chasing these right now. This is not even worth chasing. Because you can see it's ranging. That's right. As long as your account is up, man, you got it made. You just take profits when you can and look at it. It's going to come right back down to where I wanted it to. But these are just, these candles here, I'm just not going to mess with because, oh, excuse me, because if you mess with them, they're going to pull back and burn you. These are what I call the burning down your house candle. So they're just going to come back and play every one of these. Because we have instability right now. There's nothing moving the market. There's no news. The retail's over with. That happened this morning over here. This is the retail sales. Big fall for that. So right now we got nothing driving it. This is a continuation of the retail. And now we're just kind of like stuck in the middle of nowhere out here. Now this is an old chart. I got the manager up here, don't I? Yeah, cool. There it is. Why did I draw? I got a line drawn right here for a reason last week. So let's go back and look. Yeah, she's got all kinds of levels to get through. Right there. 66 is the buy. 66 is the resistance on this, guys. 67 would be your entry, but she's got a ways to go. That's on the 5 minute. We'll go to the 3 minute and look also. Not the 7. Yeah, not the 7 minute. There we go. There's a 3 minute right there. And of course, you got the resistance that she's sitting at right here. So, yeah. So we can't make nothing there until we get probably past that 66 up here. I marked this 66 for a reason. I marked it because there's a resistance level there. I knew I marked it the other day, probably last week sometime, and it's still right there at it. There's a 66. So basically, the 66 is where we need to clear, guys, for that trade. But I mean, the resistance is at the 57. You could probably take the 58 on this up to the 66. If you got into 58 right here, but that's a 59. So basically on this entry, you need to be at least a 60 to get you to the 66. That's 6 points. Not bad. Yeah, if you look at the charts for like the big retail sales, man, there's a big giant M on the chart for a big fall. If you like patterns, the big M and W patterns. You got gold, huh, on the 3 minute. There you go. Huh, I'll have a gold 3 minute. Okay, there you go. Wow, this thing is crazy too, right here. Look at this. That gold. Gold is just absolutely nuts. I'll take my X spread off and put back on because I don't have anything on the 3 minute. Oop, nope. I don't have anything on the 3 minute on gold. Really? Your orders are delayed? I wondered this morning because I was seeing a little bit of like weirdness in like on my exits. And I'm like, wait a minute, man. It said I got out at a certain point, it says I got somewhere else. So it could be a thing going on, how they do with these markets. Not saying they do anything crazy, but I mean, it could be like, yeah, the gold entry is going to be after that 1794 on that 1 minute Nikolov. 1795 would be a great entry on that, but we haven't hit it yet. But I mean, it could be that we're having so much, you know, people worried about the trading and trying to get in. Look at the ES. Gee whiz. That came up off the bottom that time. But I think what it is, we might have so many trades coming through, um, and people wanting to push this market. This is kind of a no-brainer, the 89. Just nope. Just gonna take her up there. Doo-doo-doo-doo. I don't know why I did my button there. Yeah, I'm starting to see the same thing. I'm just looking at it right now, watching it. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's not gonna be good. See, I'm just testing that. But yeah, you're right. There's a fluctuation in that. That's my old account anyway, so they don't even count. But there's a fluctuation in your thing there. Yeah, it's weird. I've seen that. It's kind of strange. Kind of strange. Very strange. But yeah, I just tested it to see it's I'm gonna go back to my other account now. That's my real one here. But yeah, it's like it showed you going yes, that's not right, Daniel. It's I think it's a rhythmic thing today. That's what I'm thinking too. Could be rhythmic. Oh Jesus. That leg hurts. Yeah, I don't think today is gonna be a great day to trade. I really don't. I mean, until Powell does this thing, I think this is gonna stink. Oh mercy. Not much going on, guys. Not much going on. No alerts. Market's just kind of sideways right now. See, nothing happening here. So I'll watch it while I'm at lunch. So got about another 10 minutes before I go to lunch. Probably scoot out at about 29 after. But yeah, you're right, Daniel. It's kind of delayed on the exits, but I just took that one. It says it was like 480 and it wasn't. It's only 3 something. So that's kind of weird. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button, guys, this morning. Hit the notification bell. Let us know you're out there hanging out with us, trading with us. See the products in the link in the description of the YouTube channel. Come on here and use the trade manager with us. This afternoon, we should get some kind of good trades once Powell speaks. So, hey, we'll take one and see what we can get. But make sure I don't hit the wrong button. I canceled that button on my screen. So now if I hit now, it pops up that screen. And so I got that fixed. Yeah, we're just sideways, guys, with the NQ. The YM looks about the same. Chasing the NQ, about the same. Kind of went down, pulling back. It's probably going to go sideways here also. ES, same thing. Look at this down here. Same thing. Sideways. Neutral market. RGY showing neutral market. Silver showing it down. So that's about all it's got there. But silver's probably going to rebound back up right here. We might get a 6-star in the silver. We got divergence coming right here. But I don't know. We'll see. Right now, though, I don't think anything is really doing much of anything. Copper's still in this. Copper came all the way down, touched back, got out, still continuing down here to the bottom of the line down there. Look at gold. Look at the fall here. Boom. Come right back down. So, yeah, the markets are all just kind of right now at the moment. There's not a lot going on. Gold's taking a fall, man. That's what gold's going to do. So I'd like to see gold and silver both tank. Make some really good money off both of those. You know what I mean? I'm turning my sim account back on. Just always before I go to lunch, I leave my computer on, but just in case somebody comes over, and says, "Hey, I like your computer," or something they wish to play with a button, I don't get my accounts turned back on. So I put them on sim at the office. My office is in my house. So let's widen, close this one back out right there. You can see I keep everything on sim when I'm not trading for myself. You know what I mean? That way you don't hit a button or something. But I got that button canceled this morning, so I don't have to worry about that crap anymore. But you can see all on the NQ on the 5-minute still continuing down, but it's pretty much stuck. Not doing anything. Not doing anything. So maybe not, guys. We might get another 6-star sometime. We might get another one after lunch. Pretty much, it's pandemic. I think is really starting to hit things when the investors are all pulling back their money and things like that. And Tuesdays are all. I've had some terrible Tuesdays. So even if we come back today and get it our $700 back or whatever, $500 back or whatever, we'll be lucky today. Probably to see some really good trades in the afternoon. But with Powell speaking, that gives us that push. So something will happen this afternoon. We should see a rebound somewhere. Either the market going back up or coming back down. And man, my throat's sore this morning. I got about 5 minutes before I'm getting off, guys, for my lunch break. and I'll be back on at 2 o'clock. About 5 more minutes, I'm going to call it. Unless we get something that gives us a 6-star, then I'll stay. Wish the NQ would break that 48, but I don't think it's going to happen. I think it's hit its low, guys. I really do. It's like the silver over here. Came all the way down to the 565 and just kind of stuck. You know what I mean? It's kind of stuck there. But this has got room to move if it does come down. The bottom down here is 465, but you've got a lot of resistance here. You got a support level of 540. It's already below that one. So 540 is the first target, and then this other one's on this there. So yeah, it's got room to move down to the 540, which is nice. But let's see if it ever happens. You know what I mean? Now the 1 minute you can see it's pulling back. So pull back of the 5 minute. So that's kind of cool. All's trying to get to our buy-in that we've been waiting on forever. We're on the 1 minute. Look at the oil on the one. There you go. You can kind of see the 1 minute up here, guys. I don't know why I don't have my thing there. There you go. Get over there. There's the 1 minute on it. So we kind of want just kind of keep an eye on the oil while I'm at lunch, because if it does break this line, guys, if it breaks that 61, she's got room to roll. You know what I mean? And that's what you want. Room to go. So anyway, hit the like and subscribe button this morning. Hit the notification bell. Let us know if you made any money this morning. It's been a rough morning, starting out really good, kind of getting rough now, but we are going to rebound this afternoon. I'm sure we'll get a good trade this afternoon on something. We'll get a 6-star somewhere, either a buy or a sell. It'll happen on, we got so many charts. You'll probably see 3 or 4 different ones to choose from. So we'll let the trading manager work for us this afternoon, see if we can maybe walk away with a grand today. And, that'll be kind of cool. But right now, waiting for Feds or waiting for Powell to speak and, all that kind of stuff. So I think the market's going to hold off until he actually does his speech. Since the retail sales went crappy and the market went down, they've had their big down. Most people took their profits and walked away. And that's why the market is so slow right now. And I'll show you guys right here. Check this out. This is an old chart. Well, this chart won't even come on. It's so old. But this is an old chart. Don't worry about it. Look, the RTY only has bid and ask of 4, 10, somewhere in there. ES is like 90 to 100. NQ's 3 and 5. YM is 6 and 8. Copper's 4 and 3. So, that's telling us the story. Oil is like 5 and 9. Silver is 15 and 7. So you can see there is really no bid and ask in any of it right now. Everything's just kind of holding up. So that's where we're kind of at right there for that. And that's just my market chart that I use. I don't trade on that chart. It's just for me to go back and let you guys know what's going on when we're slow like this. And right now we're slow. This is barely just going to creep. And that's what they said this morning too on Bloomberg, that we might have a slow grind afternoon. Could be a slow grind either up or down. And that's what they were saying. So, and then you got this Biden thing, worried about this next booster shot. I don't care about no shot. So whatever. Not even gonna go into that BS. But anyway, just kind of look at the markets, guys, and just kind of keep an eye on things before this Powell speaks this morning at 12:30. So pretty much if you grab some lunch and come back at 2 o'clock, I'll be here. And hopefully we'll get something after that 1:30 run. He starts speaking, I think, at 1:30 Eastern. So I'm thinking 2 o'clock he should be done. So maybe 2:05. So I bet you at the afternoon session we're gonna get something really good off that speech. So I only got about a minute and a half to go. I'm gonna go ahead and just call it by morning real quick, and hit the like and subscribe button, guys. Ring the notification bell. Remember, we use the trade manager with the 6-star algo. All the links are in the descriptions. All our products are on there. Check out the prices and all that good stuff. It's not that bad. You can pay for it 1 day trade. It's easy. This morning, if you made $5, you're already quarter of the way there. But I could have paid for it yesterday if I'd have had it. If I'd have bought it, I made 1,500 yesterday. So I mean, boom, it would have paid for it. You know what I'm saying? So it's worth it. So about 1 more minute to go, guys. I'm just gonna say thank you for coming this morning, and I will see. Oh wow, you made 650 on the NQ. Are you trading without the? Yeah. Anyway, um, so basically, I'm gonna get out of here, guys, and I will see you guys at lunchtime. After lunchtime, sorry, 2 o'clock today. I'll see you guys. You guys have a nice afternoon, and we'll talk to you guys later. See you later, Damien. Ready to go. Yeah, it's a balance about the break. Hey, you're welcome, Anonymous. I'll be back at 2 o'clock, guys. We'll see you guys then.